Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered about how your messenger system predicts the next word you'll type? Or about how your music app knows what song you'd like to listen to next? This is all because of an advanced form of technology known as generative AI. Generative AI, such as ChatGPT, is transforming our world by making machine communication more natural and intuitive than ever before. As such, understanding its foundations, workings, real world applications, and implications is crucial in our fast paced digital age. As a computer science student, I'm highly interested in this topic and have performed plenty of research before this presentation. Let's get started. Now, what exactly is artificial intelligence? It is the ability of a machine to perform tasks that would otherwise require human intelligence. This term was first introduced by British mathematician Alan Turing. According to his groundbreaking paper in 1950, if a human judge could not reliably distinguish between a human and a computer on basis of their response to questions, then the computer could be considered intelligent. Fast forward to 1990 and machine learning became a fundamental part of artificial intelligence. As mentioned in Tom Mitchell's book, instead of explicitly learning from programming language, machines could now learn from data and improve over time. A common example of this is your email spam filter, which learns from emails that you mark as spam. Now, in 2000s, with increasing computational power and digital data, deep learning came into the picture. Deep learning uses something called artificial neural networks, which attempt to mimic the human brain, processing data through layers and connections. This led to breakthroughs in fields such as image and speech recognition. Now, if we push the boundaries of what exactly these deep learning models can do, we arrive at a fascinating junction: generative AI. Generative AI is exactly what has been causing a stir in the tech world in the recent past. One great example of an application is in healthcare. GPT can tell you exactly what disease you have on basis of your family gene data. Now that we have a fundamental understanding of AI, let's look into the mechanics behind a system like ChatGPT. They use a weighing mechanism which compares input data on basis of their relevance, helping the model to focus on more important information while processing language. This attention-centric model is exactly what is called transformer architecture, a breakthrough concept introduced by Vaswani and his colleagues in 2017. How exactly does GPT generate text? According to Radford in 2019, unsupervised learning is used, where the model learns from vast amounts of data without any specific task in mind. Now, this is followed by a fine-tuning phase where the model is trained on a specific task to improve its performance in that area. When any question is posed to GPT, it uses tokenization method, where the data is broken down into smaller individual units or tokens. The model learns the probability of a token appearing next in the sequence given the previous tokens. Now, this is what is known as language modeling. ChatGPT evolved from GPT-1, which used 117 million parameters, to GPT-3, which used over 175 billion parameters. All of this in just 2 years. This is a rapid pace. The ethical implications of ChatGPT must be acknowledged. According to a study by Thilo Hagendorf, one major concern is the potential misuse of these models. For example, GPT can be used to create deep fakes and misinformation on a large scale, and this can be very harmful. To mitigate such risks, it is crucial to have guidelines, and these guidelines should be designed to ensure responsible use, refuse to generate text that promotes hate speech, violence, or misinformation, and prioritize transparency on how these models work. In conclusion, models like GPT represent a significant leap forward in our quest for better. However, As these models continue to evolve, so should our understanding and regulation of them. By responsibly leveraging these models, we can unlock unimaginable potentials, making our lives easier and our societies better connected. Thank you.